When it comes to aerial adventures, finding quality without overspending is key. The best drone for budget offers impressive flight stability, easy controls, and fun features, making it perfect for beginners and hobbyists eager to capture stunning views. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Drone. The DJI Mini 4K drone is a compact powerhouse designed for both beginners and hobbyists. Weighing under 249 grams, so it doesn't require FAA registration for recreational use. Its 4K Ultra HD camera, paired with a 3-axis gimbal, ensures cinematic quality footage, whether capturing sunrises, sunsets, or night scenes. The drone is impressively stable even in level 5 winds thanks to its brushless motors and can operate at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. Video transmission reaches up to 10 kilometers, providing clear, uninterrupted views of landscapes far away. DJI offers flexible battery options, 1, 2, or 3 sets, giving up to 93 minutes of continuous flight for extended aerial exploration. The drone is beginner-friendly with features like one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS return to home, stable hovering, and in-app learning resources to quickly master controls. Number 2. Bwine F7GB2 Pro Drone. The Bwine F7GB2 Pro Drone offers a remarkable combination of power, endurance, and professional-grade photography at an affordable price. FAA certified with completed remote ID compliance, it allows you to fly confidently without legal hurdles. Its detachable 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal and 120-degree wide-angle lens delivers stable, high-quality video even in night conditions, while 5x digital zoom ensures versatile shot composition. Flight time is impressive, with 3 2600 mAh intelligent batteries providing a total of 75 minutes, and optional fast charging achieves full power in just 1.5 hours. The drone's 1806 brushless motors, gyroscope, compass, and barometer enable wind resistance up to level 6, allowing stable flights at high altitudes up to 2,000 meters. With a control range of around 3,000 meters, users can capture sprawling landscapes, cityscapes, or far-off scenery without difficulty. Number 3. DJI Neo Drone. The DJI Neo Drone is a lightweight and highly portable option for casual flyers and vloggers, weighing just 135 grams, so it doesn't require FAA registration. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in a backpack or even a pocket, ideal for spontaneous aerial adventures. With palm takeoff and landing, Neo allows simple, controller-free operation, making it accessible to beginners. Subject tracking and quick shots features enable automated, professional-looking footage, while 8 creative quick shot modes let users capture cinematic content effortlessly. The 4K UHD camera combined with DJI's stabilization technology delivers smooth and high-quality video, even in level 4 winds, ensuring reliable performance in various outdoor conditions. The Neo drone also offers multiple control options, including mobile app, voice commands, and a traditional RC controller, providing flexibility for different users. This versatility allows everyone, from beginners to casual content creators, to enjoy a seamless flying experience. Number 4. Potensic Atom SE Drone. The Potensic Atom SE drone stands out as a lightweight, foldable drone weighing less than 249 grams, exempt from FAA registration, and designed for beginner-friendly operation. Its brushless motor ensures stability even in level 5 winds, while the 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor captures sharp 12-megapixel photos and 4K videos at 30 FPS. The Shake Vanish technology helps produce smooth, steady footage even with quick movements or windy conditions. The drone's Surge Fly flight control system offers 3 flight modes: video, normal, and sport, catering to novices and advanced pilots alike, with sport mode reaching speeds of 16 meters per second. Battery options include two intelligent 2500 mAh batteries, providing up to 62 minutes of total flight time, reducing interruptions for charging. PixSync 2.0 technology ensures stable HD video transmission up to 4 kilometers, maintaining low latency and consistent signal performance. Number 5. Suangrc EIS 5 GHz Drone. The Suangrc EIS 5 GHz drone delivers an impressive flying experience at a budget-friendly price, making it ideal for beginners and hobbyists. Its 4.5-inch LCD screen on the controller allows users to capture photos and videos without needing a smartphone, simplifying operation. The 4K camera features a 120-degree wide-angle lens with 90-degree electronic adjustment, paired with an 8GB SD card for ample storage. GPS functionality supports auto-return, follow me, point of interest, and circle flight modes, ensuring stable, controlled flights and reducing the risk of losing the drone. Its foldable design and sub-250-gram weight make it portable and FAA registration exempt, perfect for on-the-go adventures. Quick flight capabilities combined with headless mode, one-key start, and speed adjustments make it extremely beginner-friendly. The 2200 mAh battery provides up to 22 minutes of flight time per charge, supported by a brushless motor for durability, high speed, and stable performance even in windy conditions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.